Okay, so this is where we entered.
Yeah.
And then we set up our chairs right there. Came to this wall and we heard this beep. And so I'm looking at the other side of the wall here, and there is nothing on this wall. And nor is there anything on this side of the wall. No cameras, no electronics. And then we heard some sort of ruffle. And that ruffle sounded like a duffel bag, something being dragged. So I jumped up on here. Nothing. Turned on my flashlight and shined it over top this bench, thinking we were going to see something. And nothing. And I shined it all over the place. Couldn't see anything. But there is a retention pond over there. So maybe there's something over there. It does look like there's a playground, but there weren't any other cars. And there's a retention basin. And there's the parking lot. The only electronic on here, because we thought maybe the beeps could have been from a camera. So there is a camera up here on the rolling roof telescope building. And when you enter this, I don't know if you can hear it, but as you walk to the center, you can hear this echo. Echo, echo, echo. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, echo, echo. And then off in the distance, way out there, there was a really faint light in the middle of the woods. And that's where, at that point, I think Cham had heard some more screams. So, not really sure what's going on, but let's check out what's at the end of this field. So, given that the clouds are pretty heavy right now, if they do clear up, then maybe we'll come back later to see if we can see some stars. But on the overhead map, what the heck? There's a path. Wonder where this goes. All right, we'll report back to you.